Morning. Today we will do the online section of Standard 7, Subject English, Unit 2, Subunit 2.2, Souvenir. This is the continuation of the lesson. Last time we had seen that the receptionist had given some instruction to the children. So let's continue. A jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. Awaited means wait for. According to the Earth calculation, on the moon there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. So, according to the Earth's calculation, daylight 15 days, night time 15 days. The 3 days of the trip were going to be part of the night time on the moon. So, the 3 days which they were going to enjoy of the trip was going to be the night time on the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day was Skywatch. So on the Earth, it was usually foggy. So what do you mean by foggy? Not clear. I'll show you the image of foggy. And the stars were seen rarely. Rarely means not often. Only very faintly. Faintly means indistinctly. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. Dazzling means extremely bright. The trip Siley had applied for was a 3 days program. So on the moon we have 15 days of daytime and 15 days of nighttime. Siley's program was scheduled for the nighttime of 3 days that she would be spending on the moon. One of the most important programs that she would be taking part in was Skywatch. On the Earth, it's very difficult for us to watch the stars because it is very foggy. Foggy means not clear. And the stars were seen rarely. Rarely means not often. And the only very faintly. Faintly, as I said, indistinctly. But since there is no atmosphere on the moon, it is very easy to see the stars shining very, very brightly. The most attractive view that was of the disk of the earth. I'll show you the image of disk of the earth. In the moon sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon in the earth sky. It was also 70 times brighter. The earth light fell on the moon. This beautiful, enchanting view made Siley and her friends ecstatic. Ecstatic means extremely happy. They fell asleep feeling happy, excited, and comfortable at the same time. If you go to the moon, the earth looks 13 times bigger and 70 times brighter. But when you go to the earth, what you can see is a tiny little moon which does have a bright light as that of the earth when you are present on the moon. And how does that make you feel? Ecstatic. As I said, ecstatic means extremely happy. So Siley and her friends were very, very happy. And finally, they fell asleep, feeling happy, excited, and very, very comfortable at the same time to see such beautiful sights. Soon I'll continue the lesson. Thank you.